Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Google Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Wallet app on your device, and once you open it up, you will directly be logged in using your Google account. Once you are logged in, you will end up within your wallet homepage, from which the only options that you have are to look at your wallet tips and to add to your wallet. Now if you tap on the add option, you will not find any option relating to sounds. Now from the home page, if you tap on the account icon at the top right corner, you will find wallet settings, within which you can look around for various different options. However, you will still not find any option in regards to sound settings. So if you wish to turn off sounds within the Google Wallet application, you will simply need to turn your phone volume to 0, and you will not hear any sound interface within the Google Wallet application. However, this will also affect every other application as well as your phone OS. And there you have it. That is how you can turn off sounds on your Google Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.